Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life Getting Back on Track, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Now, I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss getting back on track. Now make sure and click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay guys, so I am really hungry this morning, and so we're going to make a nice hearty breakfast that's keto friendly. Now I'm starting out here with some bacon, and we're going to put that in the air fryer and then move on to the next step. Okay, now here I'm going to cut up some onion. It should have been the green onion or maybe a little bit of leeks, but you know what? Regular onions is fine because we're really not using that many. I'm going to go ahead and scramble my onions in with the eggs, which I absolutely love. And then we'll move on to the next step, guys. Okay, now in this video I use 4 eggs, but it's only because it's going to be for me and my son. These are not all for me. And I'm going to go ahead and scramble those eggs, put a little bit of heavy cream in here. If you want to measure, you can. I believe I use probably a tablespoon or 2. We want to scramble all that up, a little bit of salt and pepper, and in a pan it goes with some butter, and we're going to get these cooked, and I'll be right back. Now, guys, I am so happy to say that Aldi's carries the best keto tasting bread that I've ever bought. And it's only half the price of the regular expensive breads. And they do have it in a multi-grain, a whole wheat, and then they have the white. I just like the white toast, and we're gonna put some butter on it. It is so good. You gotta get to Aldi's to get this bread. And it's, like I said, half the price of the regular, more expensive breads. And this is what makes my meal really hearty and complete, knowing that I'm like thinking I'm cheating using regular bread. But this is keto. Now we mustn't forget the bacon that I had in the air fryer, guys. And so look how hearty this breakfast looks. And this will take me on to this evening. And it's all keto friendly, low carb. Because remember, that bread is keto bread. And so I think it only has 0 carbs for the white, if I'm not mistaken, guys. So there's no carbs at all in this, and there's no sugar. Awesome. Okay, now let's head on over to the review, guys. Now remember to share this video with anybody who's ready to get themselves back on track and start eating healthy. This is not just a low carb keto eating plan. This is an anything across the board, wanting to get healthy and support system. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.